Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can make attendance sheet in the Excel. So you can see I made attendance sheet in the Excel. So when I will write here anything, like I will write here P, so you can see when I will press enter it will automatically select. So in this way when I will write again here P, so it will mark automatically. So if I will write absent A, then I will press, you can see it will automatically marked. So if I will select holidays and write here H, and then you can see firstly here 3 holidays, and then after writing here H, then I will press enter, then you can see it will automatically marked. So if you want to make attendance sheet in this way, I will show you how you can make attendance sheet in the Excel. So by following my process you can easily make attendance sheet in the Excels, and you can mark present, absent, holidays of every employee very easily. So write serial number. So after writing serial number, we will write here employee name. So after that we will adjust the size of column. Just press on it and then drag to the right side. So you can see the size of column is automatically selected. So after that we will write here designation. So after that you can also adjust the size. So after that you can adjust or merge the cells. So you can also put in the center positions. So again merge these cells. So click on merge cells and then select the central positions. So here you can also select the merge cells and then select central positions. We will bold these words. So after that we can also increase the size. So after that we will write here days number. So for example we want to make attendance sheet March month, so we will write here month March, and then write here year and write year. So after that after writing serial number, employee name and designation, so here write 1, and here we will apply formula, write equal and select first cell and then write plus and then write 1. So after that press enter and your formula is applied. So when you will drag in the lower side, so you can see it will automatically write. So after that write here employee name. So after writing employee name, write their designation. So here you can write designation. So after that write here number of days in the March. So for example there are 31 days in the March, so I will write just simple 1, and then in the next cell I will apply formula. So I will select first cell and then write plus, and then write 1. So after that press enter, and our formula is applied here, and then simply we will drag in the right side. So when we will drag in the right side, all the number in the march will write automatically. So guys, in this way you can write multiple number at once. So after that we will select last column and then drag to the left side and select all days. So after that we will adjust the size and we will click just first column and then move in the left side. So in this way you can see the size is reduced. So after that right here Sunday. If your first days is start from Sunday, then you can write Sunday, or whatever you want to write, you can write here. So after that again drag to 31 days. So you can see all days write automatically. So after that right here present, absent, and holidays. So after that merge these two cells and select the central positions, and again merge these two cells and select the central positions. Merge these two cells and then select the central positions. So here you can also bold these words, and you can also give color. So if you want to give another color, you can also give. So guys, in this way you can give color words or cells. So after giving color, and write here a formula. So firstly we will write here attendance sheet. So we will merge these cells. So after that we will write here attendance sheet. And then we will select central positions and then bold these words and increase the size and give different color. So after that, if we want to color the cells, then click on it and you can give different color. So after that, apply a formula here, write equal and write count if and close bracket and select the range from first day to the 31 days. So after that write comma and then write inverted comma and then write here P and then again close the bracket, then press enter. and then drag to the lower side. So your formula will be applied all selected cells. So after that, again apply formula. So count if. So then close the bracket and select the range from first day to 31 days. So after that, write comma and then write inverted comma and then write A for absent. So after that, inverted comma and then again close the bracket and write enter. So then again drag to the lower end. So again apply here formula. So write here count if. So close the bracket and select the range from first day to 31 days. And after that, write comma and then write inverted comma, then select and write here H for holidays and then close the bracket and then enter. So after that, drag to the lower end. So your formula is applied to the lower end. So guys, if we want to give color of holidays, like we want to colors of holidays, then we can give color. So we will give color Sundays. So after that, we can also mark the whole column. We can also change the color. Can mark Sunday. So after that, I will write here present or absent. Then I will show you how this formula will work. So when I will write here H, then press enter, you can see one holidays will mark automatically. So when I will write here P and then press enter, and you can see it will automatically mark. So if I will write here A, then press enter and you can see it will automatically mark absent. So guys, in this way you can make attendance sheet. So again, so you can see this formula work accurately. So guys, in this way you can make attendance sheet. So when I will drag it in the lower side, so you can see it will calculate all the present of all employee. So you can change it according to you. If this employee is absent in this day, you can also select here. So when you will press enter, you can see it will change. So guys, in this way you can change or you can mark attendance sheet. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.